Diameter 1/4. Length 1.18 inches. Finish black. Thread type 20 coarse. Type connector bolt. Anchors. Hard to find fastener carries a wide variety of anchors for use in masonry, drywall, wood, and other applications. Hex bolts. Hard to find fastener carries hex bolts in A307, Grade 5, Grade 8, metric 8.8, and metric 10.9, in zinc, galvanized, and stainless steel finishes. Carriage bolts. Hard to find fastener carries carriage bolts in A307 and Grade 5 in zinc, galvanized, and stainless finishes. We stock a wide variety of fasteners ideal for many applications around the home, farm, business, automotive, and in industry. Most of our fasteners have a light zinc plating over steel, giving a more rust-resistant finish. We also sell coated and stainless products for additional rust resistance. We stock many grades of fasteners ranging from low-carbon steel on up to hardened, heat-treated steel. Not all fasteners are applicable for all applications, so be certain to test thoroughly and get the opinion of a licensed builder or certified building or structural engineer before relying on these fasteners for any situations where failure would result in damage to property or person. Top reviews from the United States. Work well. Super easy to use and seems sturdy and of good quality. Work well with the threaded inserts.